Hi, I'm Paul Holofko, and today we're going to be doing tomato plant propagation using hydroponics. Basically, another word for it is cloning. It's actually very similar to cloning people, but kind of in a plant version of it. So what you start out with is, we start out with the plugs, and generally you can buy a whole bag of plugs. In this case, this one's kind of made out of a peat moss sponge, and you end up having some sort of hole in each plug. And in this particular hole, you actually put in your cutting. What you do is you go to your tomato plant, you cut it, put it in some root hormone, dip it first, put it in a root hormone, like this. You can actually see all the hormone on there. And then stick it in a small hole that's given with each of these plugs. These plugs are then put into your tray, where you have a whole plug tray, and then covered with a clear plastic in order to keep the moisture in. The whole tray is then also submerged into water, where it keeps the water on the bottom watering all the time, and then allowing the plugs to grow. At the end, when you are after about a week or 2 weeks, the plant grows, you'll have a whole bunch of roots here, and then this goes into your hydroponic system. I'm Paul Holofko.